How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Simply open your Instagram account first, and after that just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner, and over here click on the three dot menu icon from the top right and go to your account settings and activity. Now simply go to the account center at the top, and over here, just scroll down and click on password and security. And when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called where you are logged in under the security checks. Just simply tap on it. And over here, you will be able to see all the accounts and the location where you have logged in previously. And if you find anything suspicious in this list, where you can see where you can see if someone else is using your Instagram account secretly. So if you find anything, and if you find anything suspicious over here, just simply click on that particular activity and click on log out from that device, and that's how you will be able to block that person from using your Instagram account secretly. And once this is done, just simply come back to your account, and just simply come back to your settings and activities page and scroll down, and you will be able to see the option called your activity. And over here you will be able to see the option called account history. Just simply tap on it, and you will be able to see all the activities what you have done in your account. And you can also trace if someone else has done something suspicious or anything which you have not done in your private Instagram account. And that's how you will be able to check and verify if someone is using your Instagram account or not. I hope you find this video to be helpful.